Hi, welcome to Global Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. Let's talk about the latest technology that is called machine learning. Machine learning, there are two levels, level 1 and level 2. Also you can say basic module as well as the advanced module. So what is machine learning? Actually, machine learning works on behalf of the algorithm. Suppose if you have a device, so in that device we need to configure the algorithm along with the program, and definitely there will be some operating system too. So machine learning is what we are telling to the system to make the program, we are telling to the device to execute the program, to run the program. Means whatever you are doing, whatever I am doing, we are expecting same thing from the machine. But machine has no any decision making. Decision making will be done by the artificial intelligence. So machine learning means whatever you are trying to educate to the machine, same thing he will perform along with the algorithm. So algorithm, that is the best method to implement any technology with machine learning, that is level 1 and level 2. So machine learning, if you want to learn machine learning, you must have the strong knowledge of Python programming, that is 3.7 and 3.82. So this is the small intro about the machine learning. So later we will discuss about the more detail also. So now this point, thank you and all the best.